Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English year number 10, page number 170 and 171. Topic is the definite and indefinite articles. First of all, revision of proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of specific people, places, times, occasions, events, publications, and so on. They have an initial capital letter. Examples: Islamabad, Sarah, Independence Day, David Copperfield. They are different from common nouns because point number one, they stand alone without a, an, or the. For example, Karachi is a great city. Next, point number two, proper nouns do not usually have a plural. Next, the definite and indefinite articles. Point number one, the definite article is the. Point number two, the indefinite article a before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Next, indefinite article an before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Next, point number three, the zero article is omission of article. The articles affect the meaning of the noun or noun phrase. Next, point number one, the definite article the is used for both singular and plural nouns. In other words, the definite article is used in specific cases when nouns refer to things or individuals which the reader or listener knows something about. Examples of the specific use of definite article the in singular and plural nouns. Example number one, the dog was sleeping peacefully in the shade. Next, example number two, the dogs were sleeping peacefully in the shade. The reader or listener knows which particular dog or dogs are being referred to. Next, point number two, the indefinite article a or an for a singular noun and no article for the plural noun is used when nouns refer to a general class or species or an individual about whom the reader or listener knows nothing. In other words, the indefinite article is used in generic cases. Next, examples of the generic use of the indefinite article a in singular noun and zero article in plural nouns. Example number one, a dog was sleeping peacefully in the shade. Next, example number two, dogs were sleeping peacefully in the shade. The reader or listener knows nothing about this dog or these dogs. Next, point number three, the zero article. In idiomatic expressions, the article is omitted when talking about human institutions and routines, means of transport, periods of time, meals and illnesses. Examples: example number one, I am going to lunch now. Next, example number two, she is suffering from malaria. Next, example number three, he traveled from Thatha to Hyderabad by car. Next example number 4. When it is winter in Australia, it is summer in England. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ complete हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay. Allah Hafiz.